Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to mute someone's stories on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Instagram application and then open up some story of person that you want to mute, and once you are on that person's story you can just tap there on three dots icon to bring up that menu, and here you see option to mute. Select that, and now you can select mute just stories from that person or stories and posts. You can select whatever you like more. I will tap on mute story, and now I wouldn't be able to receive stories from that specific person, but I'm still following that person and that person wouldn't get notification that I muted their story. Make sure you liked this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.